Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? Can I target Google display ads to a single page only? Yes, you can, but that unless that page or that website has got a lot of traffic, I would not recommend that this is going to be a good strategy long term. Because if that page, let's say something new came out today on CNN or Huffington Post, Wall Street Journal, and all these, the latest news will obviously get that highest amount of traffic on that website. But then tomorrow is going to decrease. The day after tomorrow is going to be even less, and so on. And after about few weeks, it won't have much traffic unless it is organically coming through Google Web. People are still searching for that product or service or that solution. So there will still be a little bit of traffic, but won't be a huge amount. So I would not recommend it. But yes, surely you can go to your placements tab and then just put in that URL or multiple URLs where you want to display your ads on those websites or pages.